Hi there, welcome home to 10831 Waterfall Court in the Falls of Hidden Lake. My name is Terri and I have for you today an end unit attached condominium. It has a 3-car attached garage, which is really rare for these particular units. It's 2,900 square foot finished with another 2,000 finished in the walkout lower level. We've got 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and I would love to show you around. Come on in. We have a stunning 2-story foyer, and it opens up to your great room. We have a cathedral ceiling and a gas fireplace. And it walks out to your 2nd floor patio. Now it has a Trex deck and a stunning view of the pond and the waterfall. Now, the grounds in Hidden Lake are just gorgeous. Hardwood floors all the way throughout the main floor. Main floor master suite. Powder room to your right. Granite countertops, custom cabinets, and stunning lighting. This is your main floor master suite. This is your master bath. Got 2 vanities, large Euro shower. Master closet number 1, California closet built-ins, plenty of space for storage. And your stunning master suite. Gorgeous tray ceiling, custom fixture, and beautiful views of the grounds, the waterfall, and the water feature. Now you can see the lake in the wintertime when the leaves fall off the trees. Master closet number 2, again, completely finished. Plenty of storage. Now all of these are solid core doors as well. This is a large coat closet. Formal dining room with cathedral ceiling. Custom window treatments throughout this home. Gorgeous fixtures. Eating kitchen with breakfast nook, butler's pantry with a wine fridge, another great coat closet right here, and 3-car attached garage. Drywalled and finished. Stunning kitchen with quartz countertops, large island. We have double dishwashers, 5-burner cooktop, vents to the outside, gorgeous glass backsplash, microwave, double oven, large refrigerator, and another great pantry. We're walking into the laundry room. We've got plenty of storage, utility sink, and granite countertop. Bedroom number 2. It's a good sized bedroom. We have 2 walk-in closets and an attached ensuite bathroom. Ceramic tile. We have a tub and a shower. Granite countertops, custom cabinets, beautiful light fixtures. Let's check out the 2nd floor. Second floor loft. It's a large living space. And we have a full bathroom. The Euro shower. Granite countertops. Custom cabinets. And bedroom number 3. Features 2 large walk-in closets. Let's check out the lower level. Now we are in the finished lower level, and I'm going to show you something I generally don't show. We've got a ton of storage in this beautiful home. Built with superior walls, has great insulation. Now we are finished for a full bathroom down here as well. And on this side, you'll find 1 high efficiency furnace, 1 water heater, and we have a water softener. So we are on a community well here in Hidden Lake. Now this lower level features an office space, a gaming area, a family room, and we have a built-in counter bar. Now these are KitchenAid Cafe Series appliances. We've got a wine fridge, an ice maker, a bar fridge, and a dishwasher. Again, we've got a quartz countertop, uplighting, and plenty of storage. Now this is a great living space. And it walks out to your covered patio. Now this gorgeous private patio has plumbing for a gas grill, gorgeous views of the pond and water feature. Thank you again for joining me on the tour today. Again, my name is Terri Fenelon. If you'd like some information about this spectacular home, you can reach me at 734-657-7715. You can also check out our website. It's fenelongroup.com, and we'll also have some more information for you on the link below. Now, if you or anybody that you know is looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, please give me a call as well. I'd love to help you out. Have a great day.